Dear students, good morning one and all. Today we are going to discuss Unit 3.2, The Song of Songs. It is a story of a king and one of his James Tansen. The Song of Songs is a story of Emperor Akbar and one of his 9 James Tansen. It is a story that talks about music in its purest form. uh, Before starting the story, let's discuss the warming up activity. Some questions are given in this warming up activity. I will ask you some questions. You have to answer them. Okay. First question: do you like to listen to music or songs? Yes. What could be the answer? Yes, I like to listen music. Or you can say that yes, I like to listen songs. Okay. Second question: what type of songs do you sing? Yes. How will you answer this question? I sing Bollywood songs, or you can say that I sing classical songs. You can answer anything. Next, third question: who is your favorite singer? Who is your favorite singer? Then your answer should be like this: my favorite singer is Lata Mangeshkar. Or you can say that my favorite singer is Sonu Nigam. Or you can tell the names of other singers like Arijit Singh, Udit Narayan, Ajay Atul, Shreya Ghoshal, or Alka Yagnik. Okay. Next, fourth question: when do you sing? It's a very nice question. We know that each and every person sings. Okay, now tell me, when do you sing? I sing when I'm free, or I sing when I'm happy. Okay, or someone can say like this: I sing when I become very happy. Okay, then next question, fifth: do you practice singing under the guidance of a guru? Yes, I practice under the guidance of my music teacher, Mr. Joshi sir, or you can tell me the name of any guru, your any music teacher under whom you are taking such type of training, or under whom you are learning how to sing. Okay. Then sixth question, it's a very nice question: what is difference between folk music and classical music? We know that music are of different types, but two types of music is described here: folk music and classical music. Let me tell you the difference between folk music and classical music. What is music? Folk means people. Okay, folk means, the meaning of folk is people. Folk music is music that is played or sung by ordinary people. When ordinary people, those people are not professional people, then it is called as folk music. It is not played by professional musicians. Okay, it is traditional music that people learn by singing to other people playing it. Folk music is a traditional music, means that come from one generation to another generation. It is a tradition which is handed down by one generation to another generation, and it is hundreds of years old. Folk music is hundreds of years old music. Okay, and that music is love ballads, tragic ballads, or qawwalis. These are the examples of folk music. Then second type of music is classical music. What is classical music? Classical music is referred to art music, and it is performed by professional musicians. Professional, the people who have chosen profession as a musician, then those people prefer such type of classical music, and they use instruments in their music, and it is written and composed also. Classical music is written and composed, whereas folk music is not written. It is transformed from one generation to other, or handed over from one generation to other. Then classical music requires more skills and arrangements. A skillful musician is called a classical musician. For example, orchestra is there. This is the difference between folk music and classical music. Let's move towards the next question. First, discuss with your friends and write down the names of 5 to 6 Indian musical instruments and those used in Western music. Two types of musical instruments are described here: Indian musical instruments and Western. Western means foreign, Western countries like America, like England, France, Germany. These countries are called as Western countries. Then one is done for you. Tabla is Indian instrument, and Western instrument contain drum. Okay. Then which are the other Indian instruments? The other Indian instruments are harmonium, veena, sarangi, dholak, and pakhwaz. These are the Indian musical instruments. Means with the help of these instruments, music is played in India. Then Western instruments, drum is given here, piano, violin, guitar, harp, trumpet, and so many other instruments are included in Western musical instruments. Okay. Next one. Second question. A rag or raga is a music piece in Indian classical music which is sung or played in a fixed combination of 5 to 6 basic musical notes from any singer or musician or the internet. Write down the names of any 5 ragas and what occasion they are best sung. We know that in Indian classical music there are some ragas. Rag, in Marathi it is also called as rag in music, Sangitatla rag. And you have to ask any singer, you have to ask any musician, or with the help of internet, you have to find out the names of any 5 ragas and at what occasion they are best sung. तुम्हाला काय करायचं आहे? एखाद्या गायक, संगीतकार किंवा इंटरनेटच्या सहाय्यानं कोणत्याही 5 रागांची नावं सांगायची आहे, संगीतातले राग, आणि दिवसातल्या कुठल्या वेळेस हे चांगल्या प्रकारे गायले जातात हेही तुम्हाला सांगायचं आहे. आन्सर इज गिवन. राग अँड ऑकेजन. राग मलकावनस, इट इज संग लेट ॲट नाईट. Then second, Rag Bhairav. It is sung at morning time. Okay. Then third, Rag Marwa. It is sung late afternoon to sunset. Late afternoon to sunset. दुपारी उशिरा ते सूर्योदयापर्यंत, सूर्यास्तापर्यंत ते गायलं जातं. Then four, Rag Pahadi. It is sung best in the evening time. Okay, Rag Pahadi. Rag Kedar. It is sung late in the evening to midnight. सायंकाळी उशिरा ते रात्रीपर्यंत. राग केदार. राग जोग. It is sung early in the morning, very early in the morning. Which rag is sung? Rag Jog. And Rag Yaman, it is sung at sunset to late evening. Sunset to late evening. सूर्यास्त ते रात्री उशिरापर्यंत. These are the different ragas and different times of the day or occasion when they are sung. Okay, next. Now let us discuss the story, a very nice story, the Song of Songs. As I told you in the beginning, what the Song of Songs is a story of Emperor Akbar. We know the many stories of Emperor Akbar and Birbal, and today we are going to talk about that emperor whose name is Akbar. It is a story of Emperor Akbar and one of his 9 James Tansen. We know that in the court of Akbar there were 9 James. अकबराच्या दरबारामध्ये 9 रत्न होते. तानसेन was one of them and he was a great musician. And it is a story that talks about music in its purest form. Let us discuss the whole story. Look into your books on page number 60. Open your books and see page number 60, the Song of Songs. Slowly, gently, the exhausted musician, exhausted means tired, musician laid his tanpura on the carpet. That means since for a long time the musician was playing on his tanpura, and after a long time he was tired, he was exhausted. Then at last he laid his tanpura on the carpet. That means he put his tanpura on the ground. The exquisite strains of Rag Darbari still vibrated within the hall. Exquisite means very fine and pleasing. Very fine and pleasing strains of Rag. Look at this picture. You see tanpura here at the right side. That is tanpura, which is a musical instrument. And that musician was very exhausted and he laid his tanpura on the ground, on the carpet, and a very fine and pleasing strains of Rag Darbari still vibrating within the hall. Emperor Akbar looked up, his eyes lit with admiration. At that time, what happens? Emperor Akbar was very pleased. His eyes lit up with admiration and he said, "Wonderful." He said, "Superb," means excellent. "I listen to you every day, but I can't seem to have enough. Every day I listen to you because you are one of my 9 James, but it is can't enough for me." That means I again wish to listen you again and again. That means Tansen was such type of great musician. Look at this picture. We see Tansen singing on his musical instrument tanpura. ओके, हे काय आहे? अकबराच्या दरबारामध्ये 9 रत्न होते, त्याच्यापैकी एक तानसेन होता. आणि तानसेननं खूप वेळापासून तानसेन गात होता, संगीत वाजवत होता. आता तो खूप थकल्यानंतर तो काय करतो? आपला तनपुरा त्या कार्पेटवर ठेवतो आणि त्या सगळ्या हॉलमध्ये, राज दरबारामध्ये अतिशय आनंदी अशा प्रकारचे स्वर घुमत असतात. आणि एम्परर अकबर जो असतो तो काय करतो? वर पाहतो आणि त्याला त्या तानसेनचं खूप कौतुक करायचं असतं. अतिशय उत्तम म्हणतो, एक्सलंट म्हणतो. आणि काय म्हणतो? "मी दररोज तुला ऐकतो तरीही माझं मन भरत नाही" असं म्हणतो. तानसेन बोड इन सायलेंट ग्रॅटिट्यूड. ग्रॅटिट्यूड मीन्स फीलिंग ऑफ थँकफुलनेस. फीलिंग ऑफ थँकफुलनेस इज कॉल्ड ॲज gratitude. Tansen bowed in silent gratitude. We know that Tansen was a downtrodden person and he was a great musician. I think you have the most wonderful voice in the world, said Akbar. Akbar says that I think you have the most wonderful voice in the world. But I don't, Shahenshah, said Tansen with a smile. There is someone who sings far better than I do. When Emperor Akbar was admiring him, he was praising him, he said that I think you have the most wonderful voice in the world. That means no one is as great as you, he said. Then at that time, Tansen replied that, but I don't think Shahanshah. Shahanshah means title used for the emperor. There is someone who sings far better than I do. ज्यावेळेस काय करतो एम्परर अकबर त्याचं कौतुक करतो, त्याला या ठिकाणी तू जगातला का आहेस सर्वोत्तम अशा प्रकारचा गायक आहेस, तुझा आवाज आहे म्हटल्यानंतर तानसेन काय म्हणतो, नाही महाराज, आणखीन कुणीतरी आहे जो माझ्यापेक्षा चांगलं गातो. आज तो काय करतो, राजाला सांगतो. रिअली क्राईड द डिसबिलिव्हिंग अकबर, बट इट इज नॉट बिलिव्हेबल फॉर अकबर. So he said that really, he cried. Then I must have him sing in my court. Can you arrange it? Then I must have sing in my court. Can you arrange it? He said. Tansen shook his head. I am afraid he will not come, sire. What is sire? Sire is a title used in addressing the king. Sire means also just like Maharaj. तो काय म्हणतो, तानसेन या ठिकाणी माझ्यासारखं आणखीन कुणीतरी गातं असं म्हटल्यानंतर त्या एम्परर अकबरच्या कानावर विश्वास बसत नाही. तो मोठ्यानं ओरडतो, मग त्याला माझ्या कोर्टामध्ये बोलावं लागेल, त्याचं गाणंही मला ऐकावं लागेल, तू अरेंज करतो का असं त्याला विचारतो. पण या ठिकाणी तानसेन काय करतो, नकारार्थी मान डोलावतून म्हणतो, आय एम अफ्रेड ही विल नॉट कम सायर. महाराज, मला वाटतो तो येऊ शकत नाही. असं म्हटल्यानंतर व्हॉट, नॉट इवन इफ ही हिअर्स दॅट द एम्परर हिमसेल्फ हॅज समन्ड हिम. समन्ड मीन्स कॉल्ड. व्हॉट, नॉट इवन इफ ही हिअर्स दॅट द एम्परर हिमसेल्फ हॅज समन्ड हिम. इफ आय मायसेल्फ कॉल्ड हिम, विल ही नॉट कम? ही आस्क्ड सच टाईप ऑफ क्वेश्चन. नो, नॉट इवन देन. नो, नॉट इवन देन. काय, महाराज म्हणून मी बोलावते दरबारामध्ये तरी सुद्धा तो येणार नाही का? नाही महाराज, येणार नाही असं तो काय करतो या ठिकाणी सांगतो. सम मार्जिन क्वेश्चन्स आर गिवन हिअर. मार्जिनमध्ये काही प्रश्न दिलेत, आपण बघूया. हु इज द म्युझिशियन? नाव टेल मी, हु इज द म्युझिशियन? द म्युझिशियन इज तानसेन. सेकंड, हाऊ डज एम्परर अकबर प्रेज तानसेन? अकॉर्डिंग टू एम्परर अकबर, तानसेन्स म्युझिक इज एक्सलंट वन and there is magic in his music. There is magic in his voice. You can answer such type of question. Now see the next one. This reply would have enraged any other emperor. What was the reply? That the other person did not come, or he would not come if you call him, but this reply would have enraged any other emperor. हा जो रिप्लाय होता तानसेनचा, याच्यामुळे काय आहे, कुठल्याही राजाला राग आला असता. एनरेज मीन्स फिल्ड विथ अँगर. राग आला असता ना, की महाराज एम्परर सम्राट जरी बोलवत असला तरी तो येत नाही, म्हणजे काय असं कुणालाही वाटलं असतं. बट अकबर वॉज डिफरंट. बट अकबर वॉज नॉट सच काइंड ऑफ emperor. Very well, Ustadji, said Akbar, smiling into Tansen's half scared eyes. Tansen's eyes were half scared, but Emperor Akbar was a great person, and that's why he smiled at him and said, very well, Ustadji, if he doesn't come, I shall go to him myself. Will you take me to him? Okay, if he is not ready to come in my court, then I would like to visit him. Will you take me to him? He said, yes, sire, provided you do not come as the emperor of Hindustan. That means it is better for you, you do not have to come as the emperor of Hindustan. I shall go as a humble lover of music. Then he said that I would like to go there as a humble lover of music. कुठल्याही राजाला राग आला असताना की राजा बोलत असताना एखादा व्यक्ती येत नाही म्हटल्यानंतर, पण सम्राट अकबर तसा नव्हता, तो वेगळा होता. तो काय करतो, त्या तानसेनच्या अर्ध घाबरल्या डोळ्याकडे पाहतो आणि हसतो म्हणतो, ठीक आहे उस्तादजी, आपण असं करूया, जर तो येत नसेल तर मीच काय करेन, स्वतःहून जाईन, तुम्ही म्हणा त्याच्याकडं न्याल का. आज तो काय करतो, या ठिकाणी त्याला विचारतो. हो म्हणतो, पण तुम्हाला या हिंदुस्थानचा सम्राट म्हणून नाही आलं पाहिजे. ठीक आहे, तर मी हिंदुस्थानचा सम्राट नाही, तर आय शॅल गो ॲज अ हंबल लवर ऑफ म्युझिक. मी काय करेन, एक संगीताचा चाहता म्हणून मी त्या व्यक्तीकडे जाईन. असं काय होतं, ठरलं जातं. संत हरिदास वॉज द मॅन तानसेन हॅड स्पोकन ऑफ. नाऊ दे बोथ वेंट टू दॅट पर्सन who sings better than Tansen. And who is that person? That person is Sant Haridas. He had been Tansen's music teacher and he lived the oyster life of a hermit. Oyster means simple. He was living a simple life of a hermit. Hermit means one who lives in solitude. एकांतवासी राहणारा व्यक्ती, hermit, or one who retired from society for रिलिजियस रिजन. संन्याशी किंवा एकांतवासी. दॅट पर्सन वॉज तानसेन्स म्युझिक टीचर अँड ही वॉज लिव्हिंग अ सिम्पल लाईफ अँड ही वॉज लिव्हिंग सॉलिट्यूड. वेन तानसेन अँड द एम्परर रीच्ड हिज हार्ट, ही वॉज बिझी विथ हिज डेली चॉर्स. When Tansen and Emperor Akbar reached there, what was Sant Haridas doing? He was busy with his daily chores. Daily chores means daily routine work. When they asked him to sing, he smiled but said firmly, I am long past the age for singing. Even his favorite people could not persuade him to change his mind. Persuade means try to convince. Actually, why did they go there? They went there to listen him. But Sant Haridas was not ready to sing. And his favorite people was Tansen. And Tansen also did not change his mind to sing. And that's why he said that I am long past the age for singing. That means मला गाऊन फार वर्ष झालेले आहेत, असं या ठिकाणी तो काय करतो, संत हरिदास म्हणतो. तर ते दोघेही कुठं जातात, त्या व्यक्तीकडे जातात जो व्यक्ती तानसेनपेक्षा खूप चांगलं गातो. आणि तो व्यक्ती म्हणजे कोण असतो, संत हरिदास. या तानसेनचे संगीत शिक्षक असतात आणि ते एका जंगलामध्ये एकांतवासी संन्यासी जीवन जगत असतात. आणि ज्यावेळेस हे दोघेही त्या ठिकाणी गेले, संत हरिदास आपल्या दररोजच्या कामामध्ये मग्न होते. आणि ज्यावेळेस काय करतात, हे दोघेही त्यांना गाण्याची विनंती करतात, त्यावेळेस ते नकार देतात. म्हणजे मला गाऊन फार वर्ष झालं, आता मी गाऊ शकत नाही असं म्हणतात. आणि त्यांचा आवडता विद्यार्थी जो असतो तानसेन, तो सुद्धा आपल्या गुरुचं मन वळवू शकत नाही. ही डिड नॉट परस्वेड हिज म्युझिक टीचर टू सिंग. ओके, बट तानसेन न्यू हाऊ टू गेट अराउंड हिम. ही ऑफर्ड टू सिंग बिफोर हिज गुरु. To get around him means to persuade, but Tansen was a great musician and he knew how to persuade his teacher, and that's why he offered to sing before his. Okay, you don't want to sing, then let me sing before you. ठीक आहे, तुम्ही गात नाहीत ना, तर मला तुमच्या पुढे गाऊ द्या म्हणतो. आणि आपल्या गुरुला कसं या ठिकाणी गुरुकडून कसं गाणं म्हणून घ्यायचं हे त्या तानसेनला चांगल्या प्रकारे ठाऊक होतो. अँड ही मेड अ डेलिबरेट मिस्टेक. ओके, सम क्वेश्चन्स आर गिवन हिअर. हाऊ वॉज अकबर डिफरंट फ्रॉम अदर रूलर्स ऑफ दॅट टाईम. मार्जिन क्वेश्चन पहा. हाऊ वॉज अकबर डिफरंट फ्रॉम अदर रूलर्स ऑफ दॅट टाईम. हाऊ वॉज अकबर डिफरंट? Let me tell you that Akbar was a great emperor and he was very dutiful. He loved art, music, and culture, and he was a great lover of music. In this way, he was different from other emperor. And we know that Tansen made deliberate mistake in his singing when he sing. Now tell me, why did Tansen make deliberate mistake? Tansen made a deliberate mistake because he wanted his teacher to sing for him and for his emperor Akbar. तो मुद्दामहून मिस्टेक काय करतो? कारण त्याला त्याच्या गुरुकडून गायचं होतं, गुरुला गायला लावायचं होतं, आणि जे गायन त्याला आणि त्याच्या सम्राट अकबरला ऐकायचं होतं. बघा पुढे, That's not the right note, Tansen, cried his teacher, amazed. What has happened to you? Tansen made deliberate mistakes. Tansen made mistakes purposefully. And when his teacher listened his music, listened his singing, he became very angry and he said, That's not the right note, Tansen. What are you singing? This is not the right note. What has happened to you? तानसेन, काय झाले तुला? अशी नोट शिकवली का तुला मी? तर ही अशा प्रकारची नोट नाही, तू खूप चुकीचं गायला लागलायस, काय झाले तुला? त्या गुरुला संत हरिदासला राग आला. पण तानसेन काय करायला लागला रे? मुद्दामच अशा प्रकारे चुका करू लागला जेणेकरून त्याचे गुरु त्याला गाऊन दाखवावं असं तो सांगतो. तानसेन डिड नॉट सीम टू अंडरस्टँड हिज टीचर अँड ही मेड द सेम मिस्टेक अगेन अँड अगेन. ही मेड द डेलिबरेट मिस्टेक though his teacher told him. Exasperated means irritated, angry, Sant Haridas took the tanpura from Tansen's hands and sang the right note. Then his teacher Sant Haridas became very angry and he took the tanpura from Tansen's hands and he started singing the right notes. Then he went on to the next and the next, and in this way he started singing and he went on and on. संत हरिदासला राग आला, हे तानसेन चुकीचं वाजवायला लागलाय, चुकीचं गायला लागलाय. तो त्याला पुन्हा पुन्हा सांगतो, पण तानसेन काय करतो? पुन्हा पुन्हा तीच मिस्टेक करतो, त्याच चुका करतो. आणि त्याच्यामुळं काय, संत हरिदासला फार राग येतो आणि ते काय करतात, या तानसेनच्या हातातलं तनपुरा घेतात आणि स्वतःच गायला लागतात आणि ते पुढे गात आणि गातच राहतात. द म्युझिक स्प्रेड अक्रॉस द फॉरेस्ट. वी नो that was a lonely place, and in that whole forest the music spread like the first glimmer of dawn. We know that the first glimmer at early in the morning, it spread like the first glimmer of dawn, or the fragrance of jasmine. We know how nice is the smell or fragrance of jasmine. It spread, his note spread like that. Both Akbar and Tansen listened to him as if they were hypnotized. Hypnotized, captured full attention. संमोहित करणे, अतिशय प्रचंड लक्ष देऊन ऐकणे. Now both Akbar and Tansen, they started listening his song just like hypnotized, and the emperor realized that Tansen had spoken the truth. And when Emperor Akbar compared the music, the voice between Tansen and his teacher Sant Haridas, then he realized that Tansen was, or he had spoken the truth. He had not known that music could be like this. For the first time, he realized that music could be like this. He had certainly never heard anything like it before. And in this way, he had not heard such type of music in his life. तानसेन काय करतो रे? पुन्हा पुन्हा चुका करतो. मग तनपुरा हातातनं घेतो हा संत हरिदास आणि गायला लागतो, आणि तो गातच राहतो. एवढं छान गातो की अख्ख्या त्या जंगलामध्ये त्याच्या त्या नोट पसरतात. जसं द फर्स्ट ग्लिमर ऑफ डॉन, पहाटेचं जे पहिलं किरण असतं सूर्याचं, तशा प्रकारे पसरलं. किंवा जॅस्मिनचा जो फ्रॅग्रन्स असतो, सुगंध असतो, तशा प्रकारे सगळीकडे अख्ख्या जंगलामध्ये त्यांचा तो तान पसरला, त्यांचा ते आवाज पसरला. अकबर आणि तानसेन दोघंही अतिशय मंत्रमुग्ध होऊन ऐकत होते. दोघेही जसे संमोहित होणे, हिप्नोटाईज म्हणतात त्याला, तर हिप्नोटाईज झाल्यासारखं दोघेही ऐकत होते. आणि या एम्परर अकबरला आत्ता लक्षात आलं की तानसेन हा खरंच सत्य बोलत होता. काय सांगितलं होतं सत्य? की देर इज समवन हू सिंग्स बेटर दॅन मी. कोणीतरी आहे जे माझ्यापेक्षा चांगलं गातं. कधी म्हणतो हा तानसेन? जेव्हा अकबर सांगतो त्याला, यू हॅव द मोस्ट वंडरफुल व्हॉइस इन द वर्ल्ड. तुझा आवाज जगातला कसा आवाज आहे? सगळ्यात सुंदर आहे, असं म्हटल्यानंतर. आणि राजानं असल्या प्रकारचं संगीत कधी ऐकलं नव्हतं, असं या ठिकाणी सांगतो की संगीत असंही असू शकतं हे त्याला पहिल्यांदा कळलं. ॲज दे वॉकड बॅक द एम्परर सडनली ब्रोक द सायलेन्स टू आस्क तानसेन. नाऊ they were returning from that place, and when they were returning on the way, Emperor Akbar broke the silence. He started speaking. Why can't you sing like him, Ustadji? Ustadji means Tansen. Why can't you sing like this? दोघंही अतिशय मंत्रमुग्ध झाले, ऐकून शांत झाले. आणि परतत असताना एम्परर अकबर काय करतो? ते सायलेन्स ब्रोक करतो. बोलतात मध्येच ते काय म्हणतात की उस्तादजी, तुम्ही का बरं तसं गाऊ शकत नाही? तुम्ही तुमच्या गुरुसारखं का गात नाही? असं काय होतं तो या ठिकाणी सांगतो. अ क्वेश्चन इज गिवन इन द मार्जिन. मार्जिनमध्ये एक प्रश्न दिला आहे पहा. व्हॉट इज द म्युझिक दॅट स्प्रेड अक्रॉस द फॉरेस्ट कम्पेअर्ड टू? द म्युझिक स्प्रेड अक्रॉस द फॉरेस्ट कम्पेअर्ड टू द फर्स्ट ग्लिमर ऑफ डॉन अँड the fragrance of jasmine. You can answer like this. See the next one. Tansen smiled. Which question did Akbar ask him? अकबरनं कुठला प्रश्न विचारला की तानसेन, तू तुझ्या गुरुसारखं का गाऊ शकत नाहीस? असं काय करतो अकबर आपल्या गुरुला तानसेनला विचारतात. तानसेन स्माइल्ड. तानसेन स्माइल्ड and he said like this. What he said? He said that Shahanshah, Shahanshah means it is a title used for emperor, just like Maharaj. Shahanshah, I sing at your command. Now he is telling why his teacher sings better than him. त्याचे गुरु त्याच्यापेक्षा चांगलं का गातात याचं काय करतो तो कंपॅरिझन किंवा रिझन सांगतो. शहनशाह, I sing at your command, the command of the emperor of Hindustan. Now I am telling you the difference between my singing and my teacher singing. I sing at your command, at the command of Emperor of Hindustan, but Guruji sings for one who is master of even kings, gods. But Guruji sings for God, who is the master of kings. His music springs from the depths of his soul. His music springs from the depth of his soul, free and unshaken for. His music is very deep and it comes out from his soul. It is free and unshaken. How can I expect my music to be so beautiful and divine? Divine means of or like God. He says that how can I expect my music divine and beautiful like my teacher, like my guru? He says so. He says so. शेवटी काय म्हणतो तानसेन? म्हणतो की महाराज, मी काय करतो, हा फरक आहे आमच्या दोघांमध्ये. मी सम्राट अकबरांच्या आदेशावरून गायन करतो. जो सम्राट अकबर का आहे? या हिंदुस्थानचा सम्राट आहे. तर संत हरिदास हे परमेश्वरासाठी गातात. आणि ते कसे गातात? त्यांचे संगीत हृदयातून उचंबळून येते. आणि एवढंच नाही, ते स्वतःच्या इच्छेने गातात. आणि मी काय करतो? इतरांच्या इच्छेसाठी गातो. आणि त्यांच्यासारखे सुमधुर आणि दैवी गायन मी कधीही करू शकणार नाही किंवा मला कधीही जमणार नाही, कारण मी स्वतःसाठी नाही तर दुसऱ्यासाठी गातो. हा फरक तो सांगतो. आय सिंग फॉर अदर्स अँड माय टीचर सिंग्स फॉर हिमसेल्फ. दिस इज द answer given by Tansen. Now a question is given. What reason did Tansen give for his Guruji's outstanding music? As I told you that his Guruji sing for one who is master of even kings, that is God, and his music springs from the depth of his soul, free and unshaken, and his music is more beautiful and divine than him. This is the reason. It's a very beautiful and nice story. Now read this story again and again, you will understand it better. And in the next video we are going to discuss the questions given under this passage. So stay home, stay safe. Thank you, thanks a lot.